everyone, welcome Fun with Yarn. Today I am going to show you how to knit this beautiful stitch pattern, and this is the right side, this is the wrong side, and we need to cast on 7 multiples plus 3 stitches for this pattern. We are only using knit and purl stitches. um, let's begin then. We already cast on 17 stitches plus 2 edge stitches, and I am starting with the first one. I am not knitting first edge one, I am starting with my second one. First one is my edge one, and first row I need to purl 3. 1 2 3, and then I am starting my repeat pattern. First knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1 knit, 2 knit, knit 2, and 3 purls. 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and again my repeat section. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1 2, knit 2, and 3 purls. 1 2 3, and my edge stitch it's as well I purl. Okay, in my second row my first edge stitch I not stitching, I skip it, and I'm starting second row with 3 knitting. First 3 knit, 1 2 3, and now I'm going to start my repeat section. It's purl 2, 1 purl, 2 purl, and 1 knit, and 1 purl, and 3 knits. 1 knit, 2, and 3 knits, and I'm going to start my repeat section again. Purl 2, 1 purl, 2 purl, and 1 knit, 1 purl, and 3 knits. 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and this is my edge stitch. I'm going to purl edge stitch always I'm purling, and but in the front I'm going to do third section. First I am skipping first edge stitch, and then I'm starting my pattern. First 3 purl, 1 purl, 2 purl, and 3 purl, and I'm going to start my repeat pattern section, and 2 knit, 1 knit, 2 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, and 3 purls. 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and again I'm going to start my repeat section. Knit 2, 1 knit, 2 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, and 3 purl. 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and this is my edge stitch. I am going to purl it. Okay, And my fourth row, first I am skip my edge stitch, and I am going to start fourth row with 3 knitting. First 1 knit, 2 knit and 3 knit. And now I am going to start my repeat section. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, 1 purl, 2 purl and knit 3. 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit. And again I am going to start my repeat section. 1 purl, 1 knit, 2 purl, 1 purl, 2 purl and 3 knits. 1 knit, 2 knit and 3 knits. This is my edge stitch. I am going to purl it. Okay. After few rows, our pattern is look like this. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. I hope you enjoy my video. I will come again with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.